I know, but you could also record. Why don't you do some talking? What were you saying yesterday?
Peacock.
Peacock. You were. And what else did you say?
Cat.
What is it?
Cat.
Sock?
Cat.
No, thank you, Jojen. You're sitting on the dog? Oh, I know what you were saying. You were saying Annika.
Aka.
Yeah, you say Rowan.
Baby.
Yeah, baby Stefan. You say Charlie. You say Lola. Lola. The doggy tickling you? You say I love you. Bye.
Bye.
I love you.